Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica, and today we have a special unboxing for you. We are unboxing the 2023 Jolly Box. So if you're new to the Jolly Box, they are a seasonal box put out by Fat Quarter Shop. They do seasonal boxes all year long. They're lots of fun. They're super exclusive. You usually can't get what's in these boxes later on. And unfortunately, by the time you see this unboxing, I do believe they're sold out. I think you can still get the fabric, but that might be the only thing you can still get from this box. But I am going to show you anyway so that next year, if you like this box, you can plan ahead. Make sure you're following Fat Quarter Shop on Instagram or Facebook. They announce when their Jolly Boxes go live, and you kind of have to jump on them because they sell out almost immediately. But let's go ahead and take a look inside the Jolly Box. I'm going to show you the inside because it's really cute, and these boxes are nice, sturdy. It's a really good size box, so they're great to hang on to store all of your quilting projects in. You can kind of keep everything from one project in this box. Super easy to store. So hang on to these boxes, otherwise make sure to recycle. They also have a 20% off Christmas fabrics coupon code on the inside, and then here is what the little insert looks like. It's the season to be jolly. Alrighty, let's dig right in. Like the regular boxes, they do have a little insert that tells you everything about your products and the retail value, so you know the value of your box. And I'm gonna have to put it on the screen here. I don't remember what the Jolly Boxes were retailing for. They're usually somewhere in the neighborhood of like $60-ish, but we'll see what the value for the box is when we're all done. All right, we're gonna start off with the little item. So the first thing in here is a full spool of Aurifil thread. This is 50 weight Aurifil thread in the gray colorway, and it retails for $13.98. Did it go up? I think these used to be around $11. Everything is increased in price lately. Have you noticed that? It says there is so much comfort in starting a new spool of thread. This large spool with 1,422 yards. This is the perfect neutral for quilting and piecing dark and light fabrics alike. Try this high quality cotton thread on the fabrics from this year's Jolly Box. And here you go. I actually use the colorway 2021. It's a creamy white, so I haven't really tried this. I normally am quilting with like white fabric, so I think this would definitely stand out. I do have a friend who did one of my Christmas quilts. She had like a white background with all the fabrics, and then she free motion quilted it with a gray thread, and it looks so cool. You can see the quilting just enough that it kind of pops, and it looks really nice. So I'll have to give that a try sometime, but Aurifil is my go-to thread. I'm normally using 2021, but this gray is a perfect neutral as well. The next thing in our box is this adorable candy cane zipper charm. This is by Fat Quarter Shop, and it is a Jolly Box exclusive. It retails for $10.98. It's so cute. I love putting these on all of my fun little bag projects, and I actually have a bowl of my little zipper pulls over here, and I kind of swap them out depending on the season and what I'm feeling like, because I have some for spring. Now I have a little Christmassy one, so they're a lot of fun. This sweet candy Christmas enamel zipper charm is a perfect little treat, all wrapped up in a bow. Use this charm to decorate your favorite Christmas project bag, keychain, stocking stuffer, and more. This would be a lot of fun to put on a keychain. Okay, the next thing in our box is this cute Quilt As You Go kit, and this is the Quilt As You Go Jolly Gingerbread Pot Holders Kit by June Taylor. It retails for $9.98. Jolly Box exclusive. Says, baking up a Christmas kitchen has never been easier. This Quilt As You Go Jolly Gingerbread Pot Holders Kit by June Taylor includes printed thermal batting, 2 die-cut pre-fused fabric shapes for the gingerbread men. Those are here on the back. Instructions and a video tutorial link to make this tasty set of pot holders. There is even a QR code to download a free AccuQuilt Go embroidery design for additional element options. It is a perfect mini project choice for the Fat Quarter set in this Jolly Box. So these are really cute. I like that it's a whole set, and they pretty much include everything you need to make the pot holders, and of course they look absolutely adorable. Here's kind of a better view of those for you. The pattern that was included in this year's Jolly Box is called Christmas Candy Dish Quilt Pattern. It finishes at 52.5 by 52.5, and it retails for $9.98. And it says this The Christmas Candy Dish quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop is keeping it minty and merry. Easy to piece peppermint canes and candies swirl about to create a warm and welcoming Christmas quilt. Only available in this Jolly box. This pattern pairs perfectly with the Holiday Cheer Fat Quarter bundle in the box as well, and there are limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop. All right, our next little thing is this cute Christmas cracker, and this would be such a fun stocking stuffer. And it says it's the Bohan Christmas crackers, values at $11.48. And there is a set of needles and pins in there. And it says these crackers are the perfect gift to surprise and delight all quilters and sewists. Made in France, the Bohan Christmas crackers are a scrumptious combination of two of Bohan's best offerings. I hope I'm saying that right. An assorted set of 23 9 hand sewing needles and 80 red and green Murano glass head pins, packaged in a cute candy shaped box. It's cute and useful. Should we open it? Kind of want to put this in my stocking, but we're going to open it for you guys. How do we open it with okay, so you just twist the end. Look at, oh, how cute. You just twist it and it opens. I don't want to ruin the packaging. Super cute. Okay. All right, so here is what was inside these cute little red and white festive pins. And these are great for hand quilting or English paper piecing. And then of course these are great for piecing your projects as well. Here is the fabric that came in my box. This is Christmas Candy Dish Holiday Cheer Fat Quarter Bundle by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs. It values at $23.98. And it says, we say hooray for the happiest holiday of the year. The Holiday Cheer Collection by My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake Designs is full of the best and brightest bits of Christmas, from gingerbread sweets and stockings to trees and wreaths. This curated set of 8 fat quarters shines with a full gift set of merry prints and sugar-sweet Christmas colors. Holiday Cheer is bound to add a touch more magic to your season. All right, that is everything that came in this year's Jolly box. I did add it up for you, and our value is $80.38. So that's a great value, and there are some really fun projects in this year's box. Like I said, they are sold out, so if you are interested in getting a Jolly box next year, make sure you're following along with Fat Quarter's social media. You can also join their newsletter. They announce everything that way, and then you're kind of in the know so that you can get a hold of these boxes when they release, because they do sell out fairly quickly. So I love everything in this box. Of course, my all-time favorite things are going to be the fabric, because the fabric is so cute. I love this little pot holder set. I think that's going to be really fun. It would also make really good gift ideas to give little pot holders. I gave pot holders in like a mixing bowl with some spoons and a little cookie, mix that I made in a jar. That was really fun one year. And so adding those little pot holders and things like that in are a really great gift idea. I also love this little cracker with the needles and stuff inside. I think that's really cute. And I do love boho needles, so that is awesome. I'm a huge fan of Orifil thread, and this pattern is also really cute. So I think I'm happy with everything in this year's box. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thing from this year's box was. I would love to hear what you think about it. And if you got the Jolly box, if you got one, let me know how you're liking all of the products inside as well. That's going to be it for today's video. Happy early Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season, and stay tuned to my YouTube channel because I have a ton of fun things coming for this whole month of December. So make sure you're subscribed. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. I never know which side mine gets in. Organized in one location, so between the construction and the airplanes today. This is the perfect neutral for piecing dark and light fabrics alike, or quilting. Is that in focus? Yeah. I'm just gonna put those back in there. This is tiny, guys. Like tiny. Okay. Like a baby pin set, and then I can just super cute. Okay,